Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title that we are making some pineapple jam today. Yes, this jam can be used in almost any and everything. It is just a good sweet treat and we are going to get started, all right? So we have a pineapple here. You know by now how to peel a pineapple. I did wash it like 2 hours before, so it's all dried out and everything. And we're going to peel our pineapple. But first, before we go any further, I must say, guys, thank you so much for joining me. And to my older subscribers, thank you for having that patience also. You know, work's got me and I have to keep going, all right? So I will be bringing a video, at least I'm promising you guys, at least once a week. Alright, so please stay tuned with me for many more simple, easy cooking methods. And as Christmas is approaching, I'm going to try to bring on my black cakes, my pepper pots, so stay close with me. I peel my pineapple and then I'm going to save the skins, alright? The skin is what I'm going to make a pineapple juice with, which I'll bring in another video. So I'm going to be cutting my pineapple and I'm going to make sure that I cut off the middle, which is the hard stalk, the stem there. You call it a stem or you just call it a hard part like I'm cutting here right now. Yeah, you don't want that. So we're going to boil all of that into when we're making our juice with the skin. So I'm going to use the coarse side of the grater. And while I'm using the coarse side of the grater, you can use your blender or food processor, but I'm doing it this way, the old-fashioned way, because I like to see the chunks of pineapple into my pineapple jam. That's all right. It's going to boil up. It's going to get soft and nice. So I'm going to grate them down like this. Once I'm done, they must look something like this. So if you choose to do the blender way, you're going to get a smooth jam. We want chunks into ours. Here I have some white sugar, salt, nutmeg, spice, vanilla essence, or you can also use mixed essence. So with the grating of the pineapple, I did obtain like 2 cups of grated pineapple. I placed them into a pot over medium heat. And now I'm going to add my white sugar. Now check the description box for the measurement. You can also use brown sugar, and depends on how sweet you want your pineapple jam, then you can put the sugar, all right? I did add my spice in there, which I'm going to let it boil and infuse. But just before bottling, I am going to remove the spice stick. All right, so do this over medium heat and keep stirring. And you want to stir it until the pineapple juice starts to evaporate. So continue stirring. And again, like I'm saying, you can use as much sugar or as less sugar as you want into yours. I use white sugar because it gives my pineapple jam a very nice clear color. Now I'm going to add, after 20 minutes of boiling, I'm going to add some salt and grated nutmeg. And this process takes at least like 4 to 5 minutes to do. So I'm going to stir it in and let it continue cooking. So at this stage, I'm going to go right ahead and I'm going to stir again and let you see that the pineapple juice has started to evaporate. And you know you get a good pineapple jam when it starts to stick to the side of the pan, or once you pick it up with a wooden spoon. And I like to use wooden spoon to do this pineapple jam. It is better than using the aluminum spoon. So I'm going to add my vanilla essence. Again, you can use mixed essence, that's all right. And let it cook through for another 5-10 minutes. Now I'm going to start and I'm going to pick up some of my jam. Look, this is the reason I'm using a wooden spoon. You can see that the pineapple jam is all done. It's not falling off from the spoon. And this is how you know you get a good texture jam. At this time, I'm going to turn the heat off from under the pot and let this sit until it is extremely cold or cool down. Then I'm going to place it into my mason jar. You can also use an airtight container and serve with biscuits, with bread. You can also use it into any tart, any cake, whatever you want. So this is it, guys. Give it a try, enjoy, and don't you forget to subscribe and stay with me for many more simple, easy cooking recipes.